We are rolling. Thank you, everyone. I can't talk. Sorry about my stupid wire. I hate it when it does that. And just goes right back to it. Like, it's down here really bad. See? I pull it, and it goes right back. So, if anyone knows how to fix that, that'd be great to learn. But, sorry about a squeaky chair. I think everyone knows it's my chair by now. But, ow. We are going to put this together today. Because I didn't make a video and I need something, so why not? Instructions. At least I can look at this. First you put the screws in. Then you put... apparently since I got huge, ginormous hands, like, it's way over that. So yeah, apparently I have to do the highest one, which I was going to anyways, because my 360 is going to be under it. And for all you people who are curious about the size of my hand, let me get it. Here's a normal DVD case of The Dark Knight. Bam. My hand's bigger than a normal DVD case, so that's if anyone was curious. I know people's probably saying, shut up and get to it. So, yes. Yes! And then there's a monitor on it. That's what I'm going to be doing soon. Because, ignore my clothes in the back. I'm going through to get rid of some. That monitor is the one I got for free. Here in about, I don't know. Is this going to fall? Feels like it. I don't think so. Here in about 2 weeks, I'll be getting my new monitor. Because apparently I got the one that was out of stock. But apparently I got the best 24-inch monitor available, so I'm happy with that. Alright, where's my, this thing? Where's my wood? So, I just threw the instructions on the ground, like a noob. Alright, so, get off there, take all these little legs, if I don't break it, all these legs out. I'm going to try to... Can I go any lower on this? Yeah. Cool. Take all of these out. And by the way, I have a new intro, so I'm going to be inserting that at the beginning. And get the screws and tool out. I have what is this? Rubber things for what? Oh, that might be for the... I don't know what that's for actually. I thought it might be for like some sort of... Oh, maybe it's for these little holes. I don't know, it doesn't fit. Maybe I do it upside down like that. I don't know. If you know what it is, let me know, please. Because I'm not using it for now. Until I know what it's for. So, alright. Get that crap out of here. Watch me spill my water back there. Alright. Now. No, that's for screws. I don't know what the heck's going on. Alright, we are going to do the extenders, because I need some of those. Just make sure. Two, and two. Alright, now, you see how this is. the flat part at the top. Then you see how this is. The flat part at the bottom. You meet both flat tops. Flat parts. And shove it in there. And you do the same with the other side. But apparently, they forgot to make it flat. So they just put little indentions in there, or whatever you call it, to make it flat. So, there we go. This side's done. Wait. I feel like I'm doing this wrong. Because... What? Hold on. I feel like this is way wrong. Oh, okay, because... Oh, I think I've got it now. Because I have... Because it's supposed to go like... this. And then the wood on top. Alright. Alright, I understand now. I'm like, I already screwed it up. But yeah. Ha ha. Ha ha ha. I don't know, I'm crazy. There's this. And there is this one. Hopefully it doesn't matter which is on top. Because they all have holes, so I don't think it really matters. Then you shove it in there like so. And then you got that. Ah, I did that part. Woohoo! Then pretty much just screw it together. But I don't know. I'd just do it like this. So yeah. Okay. I need my screws. This goes in this way, right? Yeah. See? Just line it up. I already screwed up trying to show it to you. Ah! Come on. Can't find the hole. There we go. Now, you match this with that. Oh. Enough to set it. It's not even in it. Oh, it is. Okay. Yeah, alright. Sorry, I know how to do things. I just thought it wasn't in. So many jokes could be made during this whole video, actually. There. Now I'm just going to do it to where it's level with the wood. Actually, it's just a hair under, but which is fine. Oh, I just dropped my tool. Alright, there's that. And that. Now is just side 2. I wasn't a fart, people. That was my chair. See? I'll let you know when I fart. Trust me. I'm not shy about that. But you people's probably like, I don't want to know. And I'm like, well, tough. Yes, and I forgot to mute my tablet. Like a noob. Very unprofessional, Joker. Well, Does it really look like I care? No. Where's the hole? There it is. I don't want to put my hair in it. Enough to set that. Make sure it's on. Yep. I don't know where I'm gonna put my Xbox One now. I was hoping my Xbox One would fit under it, but then I think my Xbox One's is like half an inch longer than this. There's that one in, and 11 minutes. Wow, I thought this would be like a 5-minute video. Time flies when you're having fun. Because really, this is such a blast right now. I'm going to do one more screw on each corner. If I can put it back in the hole. Ugh. Come on, get in the hole. And final one. My head's in the way. There. It's put together. So, let's see. Ooh, my Xbox One would fit. Here, I'm gonna bring you guys with me so you can see it. Sorry for the shakiness. It would fit, but it's scraping the sides. And then my monitor, and then my computer, then the edge of my table. So, I don't have much room. But I'll figure it out. So. Sorry, I'm being stupid. I'm being my normal Joker self. Alright. Thank you for watching. I'll do a setup once I... Sorry. I didn't know my thing was hanging off that much. I'll do a setup video whenever I clean up my room. Yeah, I know it's a mess. Going through stuff, getting rid of stuff, donating stuff. So, yeah. But, thank you for watching. I need to figure out what to do with these things now, because it didn't show on the directions. And I guess I cut them, or no, I think they actually come apart. Like, see the white there? Like they peel off. I don't know if it's for like right here, the flat part, or if it's the whole part, but it wouldn't be the whole, because it would probably just match the top there. So it'd probably be like rubber, so it doesn't stop it from sliding like that. But it'd be like this. I'll be having my 360 under it. Get ready for that video. Probably be about 2 weeks though, or whatever. Whenever that I do that, because I got a surprise for everyone on that video. A big surprise. So, alright, enough dragging it out. I'm at almost 15 minutes. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Take care. Fail. Thanks for watching, and take care. Peace.